The next thing I was thinking about while I was laying in bed last night, because this is the type of stuff that I think about while I'm passing into sleep, was the claim that Elon Musk used to make about being able to terraform Mars. So I remember at that time he would say, he would go on talk shows and say, well, there's a fast way to terraform Mars and a slow way. And the slow way, is we put people in bubbles, et cetera, et cetera. And the fast way is we launch two thermonuclear weapons at the poles and melt the ice. Okay. So while that may create some temporary warming to the Martian atmosphere, the one thing that I was surprised that Mr. Musk didn't know when he made these public statements over and over again is that it would almost immediately be stripped, in relative terms, be stripped away, the atmosphere that would develop by the solar wind. There is a significant difference between the Earth and Mars that gives us the ability to maintain an atmosphere, and that is that we have a molten core which produces a magnetic field. So I was surprised that someone who operates essentially the largest or one of the largest private space enterprises in the world was not aware that Mars did not have a molten core that produced a magnetic field. And so when he said that, I thought, doesn't this guy own more satellites than anybody else in the world? He doesn't, this is kind of basic stuff. He doesn't know that we have a magnetic field that prevents our atmosphere from being stripped away by the solar wind.